don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Alright, I guess that's alright.
Ta-da! There's Queen. Oh, you can get it up for me. Ooh, okay. Really, don't swipe at him. Okay. Okay. I gotta be quick, I guess. Oh,
Well,
I can't get it. You didn't do it fast enough. Give it to me. Oh, shit. Alright. You stung me. Okay. Or tried to sting me. Alright, the top's on, right? Like, they're getting out. You have it upside down. You have to flip it. You were giving them an opening, dear. Flip it, flip it, flip it. Okay, alright. It's cool. It's good. You guys could be a little farther away here.
alright.
They're still following. So to help. So to look at you ready to run instead. Which one do you think we should put her in?
Fly out like they did.
New ones? Gotta take this off. You know what? We'll put the clean ones.
Oh, you got right there. Okay.
Alright.
There go a couple pieces of this.
So metal facing up and her facing in.
You have to use the pliers.
She's sticking in there. Is it stuck properly? 'Cause you just have one. Perfectly. Okay, so it's sticking there. Cool, cool, cool.
Plastic. These ones.
Alright.
Oh, it comes off easy now.
Alright, this is where you knock them.
We got it.
Hold on, this little guy. You knock and then you flip.
Well, no, we got to take the thing out first.
Oh. Well, then why didn't you move? You knocked and then you wait. Oh boy.
You gotta knock it again now.
Thank
There's
you,
bees
Jade.
everywhere. There's a bee on top of your guys' head.
I know.
We got it.
You get this one since I did the queen. Here, I'll stand back and slip it back on after you pull it out, okay?
You just flip it right upside down into the hive.
No. You knock it, you grab that thing out, and you put it back on. No, I guess you did it in one big go, but are you ready to do it in one big go? Alright. You ready to knock? Knock and flip?
Knock, fly
Wait.
out.
Oh, you already stuffed the bottom, good.
What are you guys doing?
Gathering ourselves.
Why did you knock it and you stop? Turns out you have
You have a
bees
lot of
That
angry
one
bees
wasn't
right now.
around, I just want to kill it. Get rid of it. Don't.
Oh, we have a lot of angry bees right now.
They're not angry, they're just like active.
Like, just let me back in my cage.
Yeah.
You just slid under me.
We just gotta go for it.
Shake it.
So you gotta knock it. So you knock it, I'll go in there and pop that thing out. Then we'll put that thing back on, then we'll...
Alright, I'm
then
gonna
how's it
knock
on?
it and take this off, and then you do that, and then I'll pop it back on.
Okay, we're gonna have a bunch of them flying around now. Okay.
Well, then you wanna be the one to remove it, take that out, and put that back on. All right, you
Just
knock
saying,
it.
I'm just thinking
You
about
knock.
this thing because we gotta get that cop thing out.
You already know how to knock it. I just feel like you've done the knocking.
All right, so
All right, ready? Set. They're quick. What are you giving that to me for?
you want me to knock? You gotta.
I'm holding a
You're gonna do both. Ready?
No, you gotta knock. You gotta hold this. It'll just fly off. You don't.
All right, ready?
No, you gotta hold it like this. Come again.
All right, go.
Just
Hurry up, hurry up. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. They can't hit you. They cannot get you.
How do you get this thing out? I can't put the top back on. I
All
can't
right,
get the top out.
Just walk away. Just walk away. It's okay. They'll fly off you.
How do you get that thing off? It just kept falling in. I'll smack it, take the top off. You want to try pulling the thing out?
No. I already got the queen out. I don't want to. I'm just telling you right now. I don't want to do it. All right, so now it's just a knock. I don't want to hang around any longer than I need to. Knock
So
it.
Let's get it this way, the right way it's supposed to be. And then,
So far, we've been safe. Like, there's been a bunch of bees around us. And
yeah.
you ready? Don't forget, you'd want to make sure they can't get out there.
Right, so I'm going to knock it, you're going to pull the top off, and I'll go.
Yeah. You ready? Knock it. I'll grab it. 1, 2, 3. Go. Nice job. All right. Here. Oh, go like this. Woo. Scare me.
Go on in. Let's get them all back in there.
I mean, well, there's a little area they can get in right here.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
they can't. Yeah, that one got in. All right, cool. All right. PU. Oh, perfect. Yeah. We don't need that anymore. Where's the smoker?
It's right there.
Is it stuck?
Yep.
Oh, the pollen patty. Get the hive tool out. Hive tool all the time. You don't want to put it back down and squish anybody. Whoop, whoop. Oh, look at that. Yeah, just lean it up against them. There you go. Put it down next to you, on the other side of it. Can you see any foam on it? Hey, oh man, where'd she go? It's Where is it? Oh my god, how are you gonna get it out of there? I don't know. You got it? Oh, you got it. You had it. Oh. Here, let me see. Put it nice and close so they can like really see it. Show them all the bees. There you go.
I see it beyond the grass.
Make sure the sugar part is where they can get it.
Should put it down low.
No, it doesn't. You're supposed to stick it to the wood, babe.
No.
No? You sure? Why are you sticking it down low? Then we can't get it very easily. So it won't fall? I don't know. Here. Here's the other one. Jade. See all the wax comb, honey?
Yeah, I also see a ton of worker bees.
Yeah, that's really cool.
The millions of worker bees.
It's so cool. Sorry.
Well, we don't need to get it yet because then eat it out.
Okay. Are they now?
Hold it up.
What?
We're going to put the bottom. Put them together.
Mm.
The hard part is getting them to be together. Alright, you were just gonna ask for it, aren't you? Okay. But, yep, okay. Well, hold on. He kind of like knocked him down a little. Yeah. He's doing his squishies. I want to do something. I want to be useful. I made the syrup. Oh, I don't want them to.
I'm pouring this one.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's little guys in that one. Oh my gosh, Mike, it's like